Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the third subdivision in question 1. Now let's look at the numbers. Find the zero of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. This time, the quadratic equation is 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x. So let's check the numbers. So it is 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x. So first, let's rearrange this quadratic equation because the constant is looking in the middle, right? So we'll rearrange this. So it is 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. So let's now start doing this splitting the middle term to find the zeros of the polynomial. So we have to split for 18 and I need 7. So 18 can be got as 9 2s are and 9 minus 2 is 7. Let's place the sign. So minus 18, it is going to be minus 9 and plus 2. Now that we have found the factors, let's split the middle term. So 6x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. So between these two, I'm taking 3x outside. So it is 2x minus 3 plus, I have nothing that has to be matched here. So I'm making this as 1. So 1 into 2x minus 3. So 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. So the zeros are going to be, it is going to be minus 1 by 3. I'm marking that as alpha. The other 0 is 3 by 2. I'm marking that as beta. Now let's calculate alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So let's take the LCM here. So the LCM is 6. So if I cross multiply, this is minus 2 plus 9. So this is going to give me 7 by 6. Now let's calculate alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. So I can strike out this 3 and 3. So this is simply minus 1 by 2. Now we have manually calculated the values of alpha beta and we have added it up and we have taken its product as well. Now let's calculate the sum and the product of these alphas from the coefficient. So according to that, alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So let's substitute minus of minus 7 divided by 6. So minus of minus is plus. So this is 7 by 6. Now let's calculate alpha beta. Alpha beta from the coefficient is c by a. So c in this case is minus 3, a is 6. So minus 3 by 6 can be simplified to minus 1 by 2. Now let's check. Manually, I got the sum of the zeros is 7 by 6, which is what we have got from the coefficients too. Similarly, the product we got the manual value is minus half and from the coefficient 2, we were able to get the same value. Therefore, we are able to verify the relations. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.